Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using a 14-inch wreath frame as well as some mesh and tulle from Dollar Tree. I used 2 rolls of the red mesh, cut them into strips of 20 inches. I needed 18 of them, as well as 2 rolls of white mesh, again cutting them strips at 20 inches, 18 of them. White and red tulle, 2 rolls of each, cutting them strips of 12, 18 strips each. And then took this white ribbon and I cut 9 strips of that at 7 inches, and then 9 strips of this red ribbon at 7 inches. I cut some pipe cleaners in half, and then I took a pipe cleaner, added 1 to the third ring, 1 to the second ring, and then another to the third ring. So you'll have 3 on each section. I take the red mesh, roll up the ends, and then walk my fingers across till they meet in the center, creating a cute little bunch, and then do the same thing with the white, and then put that on top of that same pipe cleaner and just give it a twist, and then add in the red tulle as well as the white tulle, using the same method, rolling the end and walking them together. And then I also add 1 of the ribbons, and I'll alternate the colors. I'll do white on one, red on another. And I just trimmed up the ends of the ribbon and then place that in the center of that bundle, tightening the pipe cleaner. And then I just keep that going all the way around, and I am alternating, starting with red mesh and then on the next bunch starting with the white mesh. So I alternate the mesh colors as well as alternating the ribbon that I put on the top. And you'll have 3 of these little bunches in each section, so 18 total. And just alternate the bundles between the second and third rings all the way around. I took this cute little peppermint pick I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck the whole pick down through the frame so that the stem was on the back. Added a pipe cleaner around the stem and the frame, just a couple pieces, and then folded over the rest of the stem and then tightened it again with the pipe cleaner, cutting off the excess pipe cleaner. And then I took this little pick from Dollar Tree and tucked that through the frame as well, right below the peppermints, and did the same thing, tightening it with the pipe cleaners and bending up the stem and putting the pipe cleaners around that too. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.